All right, I have an important Slovenian sports question for you, by the way. This is something I enjoy watching. Do you know, or are you friends with, or have any relationship with Primož Roglič?
I mean, I know who he is.
Sure. Okay. Did you watch? You know, he won the Vuelta a España, the Tour of Spain,
Yes.
basically, that happened in September. So, and Pogačar, I can't think of his first name. I'm sorry, but Pogačar is his last name.
Yes.
He finished third. So
Third,
I didn't
yeah, he
know
was
if you guys, if you stayed up with that, if you follow that, if you knew those guys, or it was just kind of knew them from a distance. Or...
No, I knew those guys. I mean, I always follow Slovenian sport. You know, now
Sure.
just the volleyball team was second in the European Championship, so I follow all the Slovenian sport. And it just, you know, it's a pleasure to see a lot of Slovenians make it. You know, we're just 2 million people, and we make a lot of good things.
Well,
so,
I love when your fans come to the game.
Well, that scene in Miami last year was really just.
I hope they come again. Yeah.
Well, they can come. They can also come here.
Yeah.
Right. You got to get them to come here.
We'll try.
All right. Well, Luka, look.